Namaskar. I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you month of November's 2020's monthly forecast based on Indian Vedic astrology, based on moon sign. But you can watch this particular monthly forecast according to your ascendant, according to your rising sign as well. You can take this whole prediction according to your moon sign as well as according to your ascendant, according to your rising sign. This prediction have no relevance whatsoever with sun sign prediction. So kindly take this prediction according to your moon sign or according to your ascendant sign or according to your rising sign. For all of you, based on Indian Vedic astrology, based on all, so the whole project is based on Indian Vedic astrology, all the task, precaution, chantings, all the information. Virgo, transit of Venus for Virgo in first house, 23rd October till 17th November. When the Venus transit in the first house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in first house from your moon sign. Transit of Venus in first house from your moon sign. When the Venus is transit in first house from your moon sign, this particular time period mostly signify material and sensual comfort for you. Companionship, luxuries, lifestyle. You expect a lot of hot and happening around you in the personal front. And if you're eligible bachelor, you'll find a companionship of your finest match. Some of you also expecting arrival of the new member of the family. Socially, very finest period, meeting a lot of new people, new companion, beautiful people, enjoying the company to the fullest. You would be honored and your status will be risen. Heightened in the society, people will appreciate you. You'll achieve name, fame and establishment. You'll also get a plenty of opportunity to enjoy, but also indulge in exotic dishes, exotic things. This particular period of the Venus is transiting in your first house, you acquire luxurious items, valuable items to enrich your lifestyle. This particular time period to give you a rise in status, prestige around. Financially, you would be sailing through smoothly during this particular period. Your economic condition would also improve during this phase of time. If you're a student, this particular time period will prove to be very good period for you to succeed in your field of learning. You may also expect an annihilation of your enemies, and during this particular period, stay away from any kind of negative influences that might get a negative outburst on you. Beware of that. Transit of Sun in third house, 16th November till 15th December. The Sun transit in third house, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Sun in third house from your moon sign. When the Sun is transiting in third house from your moon sign, it brings some boost, positive boost to your professional and personal life. When the Sun transiting in third house from your moon sign, you're likely to progress in your career and increased recognition from employer authorities or higher authorities. There's increased chance for promotion or better employment. You feel energetic, enthusiastic, and experience a heightened ability to overcome all the obstacles, resolving problem and overcoming possible obstruction from adverse scenario situations. When the Sun is transiting in third house, your work is most likely to be successful and bring a very dignified rewards for you. This will result in financial gain, absence of money-related worries. You will do well in society, feel more successful, respected, appreciated. Friends, family, acquaintances will love you. You have a chance to spend quality time with them. Your mind is at peace. You feel happy and comfortable with your life. If you have a family, children, you'll enjoy thoroughly parenthood. Your heightened mental and physical fitness will come along with sound health and absence of health problems. Transit of Venus in second house, 17th November till 11th of December. Venus transiting in second house, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. And when the Venus transiting in second house from your moon sign, this mostly denote financial gain for you. When the Venus transiting in second house from your moon sign, this period also sees you having a great time with your family member. When the Venus transit in second house from your moon sign, you could also expect a new member of the family. Financially, you'd be comfortable, prosperity will be there in the family, generally very expected, and you'll achieving upward move financially, professionally, no doubt about it. When the Venus transit in second house, personally, you're also likely to acquire a great attire, accessories including valuable items, jewelry, precious stones, luxuries, lifestyle, comfort of the life. When the Venus transit in second house from your moon sign, your interest in art, craft would be rising. When the Venus transit in second house from your moon sign, you may also expect some favor from higher authorities or government authorities. Health is expected to be fine. You may consider improving your present look as well and present lifestyle. With the help of task precaution chanting, Virgo, you can sort out yourself. You must sort out your moon, which is very, very important. If the moon is sorted, your peace of mind, harmony, health, happiness will be there. You must sort out your Mars. It's extremely important for you. And Saturn. The reason why Mars and Saturn, both representing very important. Your profession, your gain, your prosperity, your achievements, your rise in luck, your communication with the whole world, and your health and happiness. Rahu, sudden losses, professional issues, unexpected issues, back problem, health issues, matrimonial issues. For prevention of any kind of professional losses or financial losses or bad debts or flow of income issues, health, happiness, harmony issues, why don't you acquire a full monthly report? Implement the full monthly report, which you can acquire full monthly horoscope report according to your moon sign or your ascendant. Why don't you go to the website, acquire the full monthly horoscope report and implement the whole monthly horoscope report in your routine and achieve your best. What you waiting for? Acquire the full monthly horoscope report and implement the report in your routine. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign monthly horoscope report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.